Hello guys, today in this video we shall talk about the poem Ulysses composed by our friend Tennyson, one of the most prominent poets of the age of Queen Victoria. So guys, before starting this poem, I want to tell you about Ulysses. Who was Ulysses? Ulysses or Odysseus was the legendary king of Ithaca in Greece. He was one of the heroes of the Trojan War. So guys, what's about the Trojan War? Trojan War was fought between the Greeks and Trojans. Prince Paris of Troy eloped with Queen Helena of Greece. The Greeks attacked Troy to bring back Helen. The war continued for 10 years and the city of Troy was destroyed. So, the story of his adventures has been narrated by Homer, the great epic poet of Greece, in his epic Odysseus. So, guys, this was the King Ulysses. So, now before beginning the poem, we shall have to explore the word meanings of this poem. So, let us start. It little profits that an idle king buy this still hearth among these barren cracks, matched with an aged wife. In these lines, first of one, it little profits mean King Ulysses has returned from the war of Troy and has been leading an idle life in Ithaca for some time. He is tired of his idle life and wants to sail again. In this poem, he addresses the sailors and companions, gives arguments in favor of a life of travel and adventure, and asks them to set sail again with him. In second line, by this still hearth. Here, still hearth means calm and quiet home. Among these barren cracks, here barren cracks means the rocky island of Ithaca, unproductive rocks. In next line, matched with. Here matched with mean the in the company of aged wife mean his wife Penelope, who had grown old like him. I met and dole means administer or rule. In next line, unequal laws. Unequal laws mean unjust laws. Unto an savage race. Here, savage race mean uncivilized people of Ithaca. Next, the horde. The horde mean who are miserly or who hoard wealth. And sleep and feed means live a useless life like animals. No, not me. Do not understand my real nature. I cannot rest from travel. Here, rest for travel mean cannot rest without travel and adventure. In next, I will drink. Here, I will drink life to the less. The meaning of this line is I will like to enjoy my life to the full. Next, the all time I have enjoyed greatly, have suffered greatly, both with those that loved me and alone on shore, and went through scudding drifts to rainy Hades. Here, through scudding drifts mean clouds moving across the sky. The rainy Hades mean heads or a constellation or group of stars was supposed to cause rain, hence rainy. Next, waxed the dim sea. Waxed mean made stormy, dim mean dark because the sky was overcast with clouds. I am become a name. Here I am become a name mean I have become famous. For always roaming. Roaming mean wandering. Much have I seen and known mean I have seen many cities and met many people. I have gained much experience. Cities of men and manners mean he has visited different cities and met people with different manners and ways of life.